Hey guys, on this day 4 of Jollof Mass, I'll be sharing the recipe for rice salad. There are so many versions of rice salad all over the world. We have Asian rice salad, we have Mediterranean rice salad, but today I'll share a rice salad recipe using my favorite Nigerian salad ingredients. You can make your own version using your favorite salad ingredients. Take a photo, tag me on Instagram. You can upload a video here on YouTube. Yeah, make a video, upload on your channel on YouTube, post the link in the comments. Let me come and check it out. Let's go. I'll be using 1 cup of boiled white rice and my favorite Nigerian salad ingredients: cucumber, baked beans, sweet corn, eggs, carrots, lettuce, tomato, potato, and salad cream. A wild card ingredient that I'll be adding is avocado. I don't normally add it to Nigerian salad, but I felt it would be interesting to add it to this rice salad because in Nigeria we eat rice meals with avocado. Boil the eggs till hard done. Dice the carrots and potato. Add to boiling water. Leave it to boil for 2 minutes. Take it off the stove and cool it down with water. Peel and dice the eggs like this. Then chop and dice the rest of the ingredients. And layer it like in Nigerian salad. Job done. Salad cream, rice, lettuce, carrot and potato, tomato, cucumber, sweet corn, baked beans, avocado, eggs, and repeat. Check them out. How do you like this one? This one is definitely a must make for Christmas. Don't forget to make yours and tag me. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.